The following video explains how to set the air sous vide mode on your LG range. Air sous vide cooking uses air to cook foods, low and slow. Use it to cook meat, fish, seafood, poultry or vegetables. Food must be vacuum packed in pouches before cooking. It is not necessary to preheat the oven when using air sous vide. Refer to the cooking guide for recommended air sous vide settings. The lower temperatures and long cooking times used in air sous vide cooking provide many benefits. Healthier. Compared to other cooking methods, air sous vide retains most of the original nutrients in food. Safe and convenient. The long cooking times used in air sous vide cooking allow food to be pasteurized. Because food is vacuum packed before cooking, the unopened pouches can be quickly chilled in an ice bath and stored in the freezer or refrigerator after cooking. Crisp and moist results. The fine temperature control of air sous vide cooking is an excellent way to achieve the perfect texture when cooking meat and poultry. The low temperatures used retain more of the moisture in food than conventional cooking methods. After cooking, a final sear in a frying pan adds the perfect crisp finish. Setting air sous vide mode. 1. Place the standard rack in position 2 and place the sealed food bag on it. Two. Press air sous vide. 3. Set the desired oven temperature. 4. Press start. 5. Once cooking is finished, allow the oven to cool completely. For more information, refer to the owner's manual and quick reference guide for the appliance.